old fat Andy, yeah? Right, I'm going to go see if I can get breakfast. Apparently I've been told that the White Horse in Corton do a lovely breakfast, served from 9 AM. So it is a nice day today. So let's go have a look and see what it's all about. Yes, White Horse in Corton. I think they serve breakfast from 9 o'clock. A friend of mine who I see out last week, Phil Maskell, with his wife Sally, he told me about it. So yeah, we'll go down there and we'll go check it out. What a lovely day. What a gorgeous day again. But we are desperate for rain, I know that. I don't want to put a damper on it as such. But yeah, we should have a drop. Really. I think we had about 2-3 spits of rain the other night, and that was about it. Nothing at all. Everything was so dry. You can cut the bloody grass. It's just brown, and that's it. So yeah, it was really just in August now. So yeah, we'll just have to see. We're just coming down there. Being at Corton in a minute. So Corton Road, I think this is. I'm on through the old trees. A few holiday homes there to my right. You probably can't see them, but they're there. So yeah, we'll carry on. We're now coming into Corton, so that sign just sit there on the right. Don't know how busy this will be, but we'll certainly find out. I ain't been up here for a while myself. Right, got all the holiday villages round here. Being August, everyone on holiday. I've got a big car boot sale there. You can't see it, it's on the left. The Corton car boot sale. Right, it's up here somewhere. Don't ask me where, but I've got a rough idea. Village there. We just passed on the right. Yeah, I'd think it'd be pretty busy around here with everyone on holiday, all the kids and that off school. I think the White Horse is up here somewhere. White Horse. This is the one. Let's go see if that's open. Well, the door is open, so let's have a look. Right, I'll park up and we'll get out and go see what it's all about. Well, I'm just setting the car at the moment. I don't open until 10. It's about 9:45 time at the moment, so I'm just going to wait, then we'll go in there when it's opened. Right, here we go then. Breakfast menu. White Horse breakfast, Monday, Friday 10 AM to 11:30, Saturday and Sunday 9 AM to 11:30. That's what they do. Sandwiches or baps. You can see all the prices here. You've got lighter bites, beans on toast, fried eggs on toast, waffles, berries, syrup, pancakes, toast and jam. There's your breakfast. As you can see there. So Large breakfast, 11.50. That's what I'm going for. If you want a vegan option, that's 13.95. So that's what we'll get ordered. Is that one? Right, lovely cup of tea arrived here. Get it in a pot. That is extra. I don't know how much it is, but we'll find out later. But that certainly look a nice tea anyway. Well, there we go. That is the breakfast. Look at the size of that. Wow, impressive, as I may say. Mushrooms, tomatoes, eggs, beans, hash browns, black pudding, bacon, 2 sausages, and like a jumbo sausage, so really that's 4 sausages there. And you got your toast. So get stuck in. Right, look what we want to see, alright? That is one massive breakfast. And that is a big one and all. Right, get some salt, salt things up. Start as you mean to go on. That's what they say. Right, take the butter off there for a minute. Let's go straight in. We're going to go straight in with the sausage. Let's cut the sausage there. Looks a nice sausage inside. Try it. Hot. That is lovely. That is really nice. And I would say that, looking at that, it's a butcher sausage. There's 2 large ones on here, as you can see. So let's get in with the mushrooms. Give the mushrooms a go. See them there. That's nice they are. Wow. Let's have a look at the bacon. Two nice rashers of bacon there, well done. Say well done, properly done in my mind. Well cooked. Let's bring you closer here and have a look. Drink and then you can see what we're doing. Into the bacon. See there? You can see this all right because the sun is really shining brightly. Looks a bit of bacon there.
Is everything alright for you?
Yeah, fantastic, thank you. Black pudding. Get it on the fork. A little softer black pudding. Oh, that's fabulous. Wow. That's really nice for black pudding. That's a nice thick chunk as well. Not a thin chunk. Go into the hash browns. Nice and crispy on the outside. Got it there. That's really nice. Really nice. Gonna go in for the egg in a minute. Let me just try this tomato nicely presented on a plate. Get in there with the tomatoes. Yeah, lovely, can't complain about that. I just want to try the beans. See the beans there? Lovely, yeah. They're not cheap either. Right, and then we've got the egg. Look at that one, perfect, that egg. Same with that, can't grumble with that at all. Then we've got the nice toast to dip in. see that. Absolutely lovely. Right, I'm going to sit here, enjoy this, and see what we come up with.
Got a menu here on top.
But the moment 5-star. Right, I'm dropping my way through this. Wow, what a lovely breakfast. That really, really is. Just can't fault this at all. It's tasty, it's full of flavour, and sausages are really nice. Really nice. I'll carry on. This is absolutely fantastic. That was so good. Wow. That is it. I just put the rubbish on the plate, but I can't eat that toast. Need more of that toast. I'm so full, that's ridiculous. That was so good. Right, I'm going to pay the bill in a minute. Right, I'll catch you guys outside. Right, I'm back in the car. I hope you can see me all right. That sun is shining a bit bright. Wow, what a breakfast. What a breakfast. If I was going to know how big that breakfast was, I'd have got a smaller one, I'll tell you. I absolutely struggled in the end. I left a couple of little squares of toast. Not much on there, just a little bit of tomato. Not because there was anything wrong with it, because that was banging, but I was just so full. Those sausages, you know, that's like 2 into 1. So technically I had 4 sausages. Wow. Everything was cooked to perfection. I just can't grumble. Let's see if I just get you out of that light. Right, yeah, I'll hold you here for a minute. Just get you out of there. Everything was just cooked absolutely perfection. The whole bill, put my glasses on a sec. The tea was extra. Now, I'm normally a person who knock a point off of tea being extra. The tea was $2.90, but I got 2 big cups for offer. So at the end of the day, you can say $1.45 a cup. I do like to see the tea come in with the breakfast, but I'm going to be honest with you. For the size of it, the size of that breakfast was absolutely brilliant. I mean, the whole tilt will come at $14.40. You had 11.5 quid for the breakfast and $2.90 for the tea. Do you know, I've got to mark that. I've got to give it a 9.5. I really have. That was absolutely blinding. And that is the White Horse at Corton. I'll leave the details in the description of the video. Thanks Phil and Sally Maskell, who I know, who are local, who said they come up there. I never tried the breakfast before, but I'm glad I have, because that's banging. That is so filling. Unless you're a big eater, just go for the smaller breakfast, because I'll tell you, oh man, that was full. I'm so full, that's ridiculous. And I've got to do a bit of work or something, and that's so hot. And I give you a tip as well, if it's a hot day like this, don't sit outside of the conservatory and eat like I did. You'll sweat, I'll tell you. There was a little bit of background music playing in the pub, actually inside the pub. That's why I sat out there, but there is outdoor seating as well. But I should have sat outside really, and got some air, but there you go. Tea was fantastic. Sausages were bang on. They were definitely butcher sausages. The bacon, lovely. The tomato was, everything was on there. The black pudding, that was a nice thick bit. They were soft and crumbly, but they had a lovely flavour to it. The bacon was nice. I couldn't fault the bacon whatsoever. The hash browns were nice and crispy. The toast was fantastic. Mushrooms were brilliant. The tea was lovely. That's all I can say, really. Right, thumbs up if you like this video. Give us your comments below. Anyone local who haven't tried this, or people who are on holiday down there, because this is round a holiday village. I don't think that's bad prices, to be honest. You're slap bang in the middle of Corton holiday village. Do you know what I mean? That's that, to be honest, ain't bad prices. Normally you find things hiked right up. They don't just do breakfast in there, they do lunches, they do evening meals. They got a lovely selection of gâteaux, which you probably might have saw a clip on the front of the video. They're open 7 days a week. Breakfast served I think Monday to Friday is 10 o'clock, and then Saturday and Sunday is 9. And yeah, it's a lovely little pub. Can't knock it at all. I'll have to come back for an evening meal one night. Yeah, happy days. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And I'll catch you lovely people in the next one. I've got the windows open on the car, the sweat is running down my face. I'm going to drive and get a nice breeze in the car. Go back, I'll probably do an hour or two. I'll just see how hot it is when I get back. Oh man, I need to work this off. Otherwise I'm just going to fall asleep in a heap. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. And I'll catch you lovely people hopefully in the next one. If I'm still alive after that. That's massive. That was a big breakfast. Wow. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Cheers. Cheers.